Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. In today's newspaper on Monday, September 11th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku, yes. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. I will solve those puzzles in the evening, but let me solve the tectonic first. Tectonic number 7076. Yeah. 7076. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 20 printed digits. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20. Should be an easy one. Should be a 1-star, I believe. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 1-star. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see this Jigsaw Sudoku. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9 by 11, I believe. Yeah, it's a 9 by 11 Jigsaw Sudoku. Sometimes we have 8 by 11 or 9 by 9, but this one is 9 by 11. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual box? Contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there dual box. 1 and the 2, well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Same for there. 1 and 2. Alright. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes. No. I see only one quarter box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. And the 4, of course. Well, this box cannot be 1 or a 2, because we have a double 1 there and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 3. Alright, now my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the first shape is the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes in this puzzle? Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Here, another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Only 2. Yeah. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 1. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. And it's also connected with that box, should be also a 3. It's also connected with this box. Also a 3. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. Then. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here or there, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be here. One of the missing number in this T-shaped area is number 2. Well, this box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left here, 4 and 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5 is connected with that box. 3 and 5. But we already have a 3 here. So it can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area. L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It should be there. Then. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Need to wait. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and 4. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and 3. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape. It should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area. Should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box. 2 and 3. But we already have a 2 here in the same area. So it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3 then. Is connected with that box. Should be also 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then I think. Ooh. Well. These 2 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Should be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here. Could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 is supposed to be here. And so this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 5, that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Then. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5. Okay. Well, let me think. Come on. 1, 2, this box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 3. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. Come on. 1, 3. I'm stuck. Come on. 1, 2, 5. No 5 here. 1, 2. Ooh, no 4. You need a 4 there. One, two. Overlook something. 2, 5. 2, 5. We already have a 2 there. Overlooked. Told you. Overlooked. So this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. This box should be 5. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. Alright. Now, these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a double 4 there. So that means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. Here can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Yeah. Need to wait. 3 and a 5. Okay. 4. 5. 1, 2. 1, 2, 5, 4, and 3. Okay. Come on. Double 1 here. 1, 2, 1 and 3. 1 and 5. Yeah. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be 2, and this box will be 1. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. I think this box is a 5. Can it be 1? Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area, 4 and 3. Well, yeah, 3 and the 5. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 4 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Told you. Should be a 1 star. Well, I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so I'm not pleased with the time. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in the evening with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.